is redemption. Flight number 2. Last one ended up in a light.
You're throwing me into the light.
Redemption. And she's down. Assessing the damage, if any, making sure everything still works. Oh, now come the excuses. Maybe a little too windy. Alright, I'm gonna try to launch it himself. Oh, nice. It's real windy. Looks like thing's almost not even moving. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh. Oh, bam, into the building. Damn. Well, she's in pieces. Go over to the light. Assess the damage. Yep. Okay, how much hot glue? Yes, I am. This is the walk of shame to the light to assess the damage. We already know she's gone. Yep, broke it good. There. I don't care how much glue you have, you ain't fixing that.
You don't think so?